Hello, I welcome you. Hello, I welcome you all to this class. So we are going to be looking at different examples under laws of indices. In our previous class, we have looked at the various laws of indices. So if you have any question, do not forget to ask on in the comment section. We are here to learn. Okay, so we are starting from the basic. So do not be afraid to ask any question at all. So now we have these examples, and in other videos you can check for more examples. So this one says, it says simplify the following. A, 64 raised to the power of 2 over 3. So let's solve that. So solution, we have A, we have 64 raised to the power of 2 over 3. So this is fractional index, and what we need to do is to open up a root. Our 64 will come in here, our 3 will come in here, then open, close the bracket, then the 2 up here, okay, will come here. So this means the third root of 64 raised to the power of 2. And third root means a number you will times 3 times to give you what is here. Okay, so what number are we going to times 3 times to give us 64? That is 4. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. So we have 4. 4, then we have a power here, which is 2. So this is 4 raised to the power of what? 2. So here our final answer is what? 4 raised to the power of 2 is what? 16. So this is our final answer. Then the B, we have 16 raised to the power of 0. Now, from our laws of indices, anything raised to the power of 0 is what? 1. So 16 raised to the power of 0 is what? Is 1. So this is our answer. Then the C, question C, we have 4 raised to the power of minus 3 over 2. Now, this is a fractional index and the negative index combined together. Okay, so here we have minus, and here we're having 3 over 2. And anything, like as I said in the laws of indices in the previous video, anything raised to the power of minus is what? Is 1 over. Okay, so this is 4 raised to the power of minus 3 over what? 2. So this minus will become what? Will become 1 over. Okay, so bring every other thing down. So this is 1 over what? 4 raised to the power of what? 3 over 2. Now this one becomes a fractional index, so you solve it as such. So this will give us 1 over. Now, this is 4 raised to the power of what? 3 over 2. So we open up a root. Of course, you know, since our 2 in the fraction here, the 2 is under. 2 is the denominator, and then 3 is the numerator. Since 2 is the denominator here, this sign means what? Square root, and this is 2. Square root is what? 2. So you don't need to add, you don't need to put the 2 here. Okay, so you put your 4 here, open bracket, close it, then your 3 will come up here. So this means 1 over square root of what? 4 raised to the power of what? 3. Okay, and solving further, we are going to have 1 over square root of 4 is what? Is 2. So we have 2 raised to the power of what? 3. So this will give us 1 over. Now, 2 raised to the power of 3 is what? 2 times 2 times 2. And that will give us what? 8. So this is our final answer, 1 over 8. So the last question we have here is what? Is, that is D. We have, that is question D. We have 0. 0.25 raised to the power of minus half. Now, for this, we need to deal with this decimal. Okay, this is a decimal, this is in decimal, so we need to deal with it. 0.25. Now, what can give us 0.25? Now, if you divide 25 by 100, you get 0.25. So that means that 0.25 is the same thing as what? 25 over 100. Okay, so we have 25 over 100 raised to the power of what? Minus 1 over 2. So this will give us, now solving further, we have, now you're having, so what you have here now is what? Is negative index and a fraction, which is what? Half. So we are going to, now, of course, you know that anything raised to the power of minus, the minus means what? 1 over, okay? You bring every other thing down. So we have 1 over, we have 25 over 100, okay? So raised to the power of half. So the minus, the 1 over, that is what represent our minus now from laws of indices. So it's reciprocal, okay? So whenever you see anything raised to the power of minus, that minus means 1 over, okay? So let's solve this. So we're going to have, this will give us 1 over, okay? Half from our law of indices means square root. So we're going to have 1 over what? The square root of 25 over 100, okay? And solving further, we're going to have, what is the square root of 25? So we have 1 over, what is the square root of 25? A number you multiply 2 times to give you 25, that is 5. So we have 1 over 5, okay? Then what about 100? What is the square root of 100? The square root of 100 is what? Is 10. A number you multiply 2 times to give you 10. So we're going to have 1 over 5 over what? Over 10. Okay? We can still divide this further. 5 can divide 10 to give us what? To give us 1 over 2. So our answer here, so what we have now is what? 1 over, dividing further. Our 5 there, our 5 can cancel 10. 5 can cancel 10 to give us what? 2. So we're having 5 go here is what? 1. 5 go here is what? 2. Okay? So we're going to have 1 over 1 over what? 2. Okay? We cannot leave our answer like this. Okay? We need to make it look better. So since you have 1 over 1 over 2, okay? For you to bring it, for you to bring this up, this will, it will turn upside down, okay? So this, our answer will become 2 over what? Over 1. All you need to do is, since you have 1 over this, this is together, for you to bring up this, what is here now will turn upside down, okay? So this will give us 2 over what? 1, and this is something as what? 2. So our answer here is what? 2. So please, I thank you so very much. Thank you very much for uh, being with us. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video. Okay, and